Say goodbye to messy floors. With a Roomba vacuum, you sit and relax. Perfect for pet hair and dust and the daily messes. Hands-free, powerful, and efficiency. I've had mine for quite a while, and it is high quality, high efficiency. I love it because I do this every day to keep my floors clean, dust free, and with fur babies, it's perfect. And he's having fun with it too. So the older one don't care, but that's how we keep our floors clean. People come into our home and say, your floors are so clean and you have pets. Well, thanks to the Roomba. If anyone would like to buy it, just put it in the orange cart. Thank you.